Hello. In this video, we will talk about merging and transforming datasets in R. And merging, which means we can combine two data frames and based on one common column or common variable. And transpose means the rows and columns of a dataset interchanged. But this is most often done for matrix, not for the data frame, right? And we can also combine two data frames by along rows or along columns if the other axis has the same shape. So melting and casting are two opposite operations, and one is to transform the wide form data to a long form, and this is for transforming long form data to the wide form. So this is for the transpose, and C-band, R-band for combining datasets when one dimension has the same shape, so we can do it along other dimension. And the merge function will combine two data frames based on one common key variable, right? So this is melt and decast. So next we will go to RStudio to show details of this operation. So first we create a matrix with 20 numbers and with 5 rows and 4 columns. So we show this matrix. So 5 rows, 4 columns. So next we can transpose this matrix and save to another matrix. So we show the result. Now the matrix has been transposed and resulted 4 rows and 5 columns. Then we create 3 vectors because we will use this for creating a matrix. Create a data frame. So create a data frame, family member, and we show this data frame 3 columns, name, age, and location with 4 rows. Then we create another data frame called new D and with 3 columns. So we show this new D data frame. Three columns, name, age, location. Because these two data frames have same random, same variable label, so we can use rbind to combine these together. Rbind first data frame, second data frame, and the result be saved to another data frame. And we show the resulting data frame now has 6 rows, 3 columns. And next example, we will use cbind. So we create name, age, address. Then we can use cbind to combine these 3 vectors. And we show the results. So we create a data frame family first. So this is the family data frame, 6 rows, 3 columns, name, age, address. Then we create another data frame called Jiang and 3 columns, 2 rows. Then we try to use merge these 2 data frame and show how it is going. Now merge and R will by default will search their column. So there are 3 column and the same for 2 data frames. So I will combine this along column, and now the result is 8 rows data frame. And we create another data frame. So first, name age and with 6 rows. Second, name address with 6 rows. So now we merge these together, and how it is going. So now I will merge them by a common column, and the result is 6 rows, 3 columns, right? And we set if all true option you merge, this will get the same result. So next we will show the long wide form transformation. We will load these 2 libraries first, math and reshape 2. Then we will set names to air quality. We will show air quality data. So air quality data by installed in this library. So you can just use head air quality after we have transformed the data label. So now this is the first 6 observations. You can ozone, solar, wind, temperature, month and day. Air quality. Now say we want to transform, because this is the wider form. So each observation has, for example, 6 variables value, and we want to transform several variables as in the data and with the value with another column. So we show how it is going. So this will be the long data form. So we use a melt air quality ID vars is month and day, because we will keep month and day, but other variables will be transformed as columns. So the result is saved to the AQL. We show the result. So now you can see month and day are kept as labels, but all the other variables are transformed as the values of a variable column in a new data frame. And the value will keep all the original values in one column. So this is the long data form. And you can see now, by default, the new data frame has labels with a variable and a value. But you can set another more intuitive labels. For example, we set a kilometer variable, kilometer value in the new data frame. So we can set a melt original data frame, ID versus C month and day, and the variable name is kilometer variable, value name is kilometer value. So the result will have the same value part and with the new label now for these 2 columns. And you can also transform from long form to wider form. So now we will do the opposite operation. We will transform again first. So melt to the melt and keep these 2 columns as the column in the resulting long form data. We use melt. So this is done for the resulting data frame. Month, day, variable value, same as we did before. Then we can use dcast to transform back to the wider form. So AQL, then month and day, we use tilde as a variable. So which means month and day will be kept as the variables in resulting wider form data frame, and the variable column will be transformed to the labels in wider form. So the result is same as the original wider form data. So month, day, and these 4 variables are saved as the label, and all the values will be transformed in the value part corresponding to each column in a wide data form. Thanks for watching.